Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you a very cool AI tool that can help you transcribe your own audio into text seamlessly. It's an open source platform that can use different languages, and it's just like an all-in-one solution for your audio and video transcription. So you can deal with audio directly, or you can deal with video that has audio in it, and it's going to help you to transcribe it into English or any language of your choice. Now it is available for Mac, Windows, and Linux operating system as well, and then you can download it for your system very freely to start using it. So you can just click on download. Like I said, it is free and open source. You can see you don't even need to have any login or there about creating an account. So let's say I've downloaded this, and you can just go ahead and install it directly. Installation is very easy and pretty interesting to just install. You can check in the link in the description of this video to find the link to this particular tool so that you can start experiencing it. Once you finish, you can run it. Alright, once you finish the installation, this is what you brought in. So you have the option to record your audio, or you can upload it directly from a file, or you can add up a link that you are interested in, and you can change the language because it's available in all of these languages. You can transcribe your file in all of these languages. Okay, so let's say I have an audio file. Alright, so to upload a file, you can just go ahead and click on this file, and you can navigate to where you have your audio. Assuming I have my audio in here, I can just import it, and then it is going to go ahead and transcribe for me directly. And after that, I'm going to see the transcript. Once it finished to upload, I can just go ahead and click on transcribe, and it is going to just go ahead and transcribe it for me directly. Now the best part of this is that you can go ahead after the transcription, you can copy the text directly if you're interested in copying, or you can save it or download it if you're interested, or you can print directly, or you can change the alignment of the text as well. Now over here you have other different formats that you can download from, and you can see the text that it has generated. Very interesting, together with the timeline and everything. So you have the option to, like I said, copy, download, see, print, or you can adjust the alignment, and then you can download in different formats that you have. So with just this simple click, you can just be able to see that you can download, and you can go ahead and print it in PDF. You can just go ahead and print it in PDF. So you can just give it a name and just save, and it is going to save your text in PDF. Another thing that you can pay attention to while using this very simple AI tool is the fact that you can change a file, or you can come to more options in here, and under more options you can change the platform that you want to work with, or the model that you want to work with. You can use cloud or llama or OpenAI compatible features, but I always like to leave it at default. Down here you can enable the summarize feature. You can enable it, and then you have all of these features. Diarization, you can enable speaker diarization if you have multiple speaker diarization. You can enable this as well, and you can have stable timestamps if you want to enable the timestamps within your text, or model options. You can transcribe to English, or you can come down here to have other timestamps by each word. You can define all of these and many other features from here directly. So it's a very wonderful feature, and it's completely free, and you can just go ahead and try it on your own. You can always check out the settings and be able to have access to some of the key benefits or key advantages of what you can change and upgrade from here. So please go ahead, see how you can upload your video or your audio to transcribe it to any language of your choice with just one click. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.